Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm in the car right now with Greg and it's about 6 a.m. I have my Bloom pre-workout and we're headed to the gym. We're going to Gold's gym and we're gonna hit a workout. I'm training back and abs. What are you training?
Train shoulders.
Okay. Maybe I'll train shoulders with you actually. Anyway, this week the 6-week Slay challenge began. So we are on our grind, drinking a gallon a day, getting our workouts in, doing our morning self-care. I hope you guys are doing it with us. So yeah, good morning. Let's get this day going. Gold's Gym, Venice. You ready?
Let's do it.
Smells like croissants. There's a bakery right there. That's our absolute favorite and it smells so good. Okay, so one of my most frequently asked questions is how I do my makeup, and I've never ever shown my makeup routine before. Most of you know I like to keep my makeup super natural. I barely put anything on most of the time, but I like to look a little bit more presentable, especially for work and when I'm filming. So I'm gonna show you my go-to products for the most natural everyday look that I do. It's really like nothing at all. I'll show you really quick what I have laid out. So this is what I use on my skin. This is honestly like my holy grail discovery. So it's this, I don't even know how to say it, Dr. Jart Tiger Grass color correcting treatment, and it comes out green. I have to show you guys, and it has SPF in it, which is great. SPF is super important, and this basically cancels out any redness. It's like kind of a foundation, but not really. And I just use that on my skin along with like all my serums and moisturizers. This is the blush I use, Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand. I'm pretty sure everyone's obsessed with these now, and it's really, really good. Then I'll definitely use an eyebrow pencil. I love filling in my eyebrows just a little bit with some clear gel by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'll curl my lashes a little, and then sometimes I'll put this on my lips. Probably won't today because my lips are burnt from our vacation. I just realized I wasn't filming. I was already starting to show you, but here is our first step. Now, I want to show you how crazy this is. It's like a thick green paste. It goes on green too, which I realize is very scary, but just trust me, it's so crazy what this stuff does. So I pretty much focus it on any like red areas I have, which for me is mostly like around here. And then with clean hands, try to like gently rub it in, and it becomes your skin tone and cancels out any redness, which is crazy. So definitely takes a sec, but you can also kind of layer it on any areas that you feel like are more red than others. And honestly, part of the reason I do this is because I hate the feeling of like heavy makeup throughout the day. I used to have really bad acne and I would have to put a ton of makeup on to make it go away, so I felt like I always had heavy makeup on. My skin is definitely not perfect, but I'm so happy with how much better it is. I just don't want to go back to like all that heavy makeup, but I just feel like I also don't look very good with heavy makeup, to be honest. I've been using this for a while now. Okay, so if I was having a bit of a fancier day, I'd probably put like a little bit of concealer on as well under my eyes. Today is not that fancy. Now, you guys are gonna think I'm crazy for this makeup routine. I'm just now realizing how kind of weird it is. So here is my little blush. I think we have enough. Sorry, I'm just trying to make sure I see what I'm doing. Okay, So I do realize this looks like a crazy amount of blush, which it kind of is, but this is the magic. And I put it all the way across my face. I'm gonna have people in the comments like, you are doing this so wrong, Chica. And you know what? I feel like everyone has their own way of doing makeup for their face. Sometimes I'll watch like those like Vogue tutorials to get little tips and stuff. And I feel like you just kind of pick up on what looks good on you and figure it out as you go. A lot of you were asking when I was on vacation what I had on my cheeks, and it was this. That's what creates that glow. Okay, so now we're gonna do eyebrows. I am taking my Kelly Baker Brow pencil and I start by lining the underline of each brow. So let's see if I can use the camera. Now I'm gonna do it on this side. I'm gonna use the mirror because I can't really see what I'm doing. And then what I'll do is just fill in any gaps, like right here. Not too much. I hate when it's like a super dark brow with a natural face. I don't like that. And then I'll like brush the product up and through, and then I'll put gel. But let me finish and then I'll show you the gel. The brows are filled in quite naturally. One thing I also feel like is important with brows is that I get them done by someone like really good. About every 3 weeks maybe, I go to my girl Kim, who does such a nice job, and she just like cleans them up and keeps them thick, but like has like that nice sharp line. I definitely need to go soon, but that's made a big difference in my brows rather than just like going to a random place to get them waxed, because they were always making them too thin. So I like to brush them up like this, and then I'll like kind of smooth out the end. I know the fluffy brows are a big theme right now. I'm not sure I could pull off like the full fluff moment. I just kind of like them to look clean. Okay, great. That is done. Now, eyelash curler. This took me a while to get on this hype because I think I was scared of these things. Still am a little bit. And I'll just like pulse it for 10 seconds. That makes quite a big difference. And I notoriously hate mascara. I do not wear mascara unless it is a very special occasion. I hate mascara. I don't know why. It definitely makes me look better, but I just hate the feeling of it, and I hate when it gets under my eyes, and I hate taking it off. I hate that it's still there in the morning. I don't know, I just hate it. So I don't wear it. Oh, my lips are quite messed up right now from a sunburn. So I think I'll leave that out and I will just do my trusty chapstick. Like this. Voila! Okay guys, that is the makeup routine. It's very simple. And now I just need to get my hair situated. It's always a bit crazy from the gym. I wash my hair like every other day, mostly. But if it's like a bit sweaty from the gym, I will use dry shampoo. Oh, that was a nice surprise. I will use dry shampoo, just a little bit, but it really depends. Like, if I know I'm gonna have a crazy leg day, I like won't wash my hair, you know? Oh, I hear that our cleaner has just arrived. So Greg's parents actually arrived tomorrow to LA. We haven't seen them in like, I wanna say like 6 months. Like, it's been a really long time, and we're super close with them. We used to basically live in their house in New York. I mean, during quarantine, we completely quarantined with them. So yeah, they're coming tomorrow, so we've got lots to do. Right now, I think I'm gonna head to the office and grab a coffee, and I'll bring you guys along with me. I'm so excited that we're hanging out today, and I hope that makeup tutorial was at all helpful. All right guys, time to get coffee. This place is my latest obsession. Move it, truck. Move it, tortillas. Move it. This place is my latest obsession. I get flat whites, almond milk flat whites, and they're so delish. Okay, goodbye. Okay guys, I got the goods. I got a flat white with almond milk. Oh my gosh, it just hits so different. It hits so different. Okay, so the plan is I have half an hour until our team call, and I could drive the 20 minutes to the office right now, but that would mean that I don't have time to put up all the content I have from this morning. Every morning I film my workout and my breakfast and my whole morning for Instagram. My content on Instagram is super important to me. I like to keep everyone motivated, show them my workouts, show them how I'm eating, how I'm incorporating the supplements. So I'm gonna sit here, edit my workout videos and get those up, and then when I'm done, I'll be hopping on the team call, and then I'll check in with you guys after. So I will be going on the team call from my phone rather than my laptop, so hopefully that goes well. Okay guys, I am at the office now, and we are blowing up a fuzzy ball, a fuzzy stability ball for us to have in the office and do work on. It is from Atalo, which is Ashley's friend, who hooked us up and sent us this ball. If you guys want one, you can use this code. So we're making that happen. And Derek is blowing up the ball. So we'll keep you updated. We're getting there, guys. Okay, guys, the ball is built thanks to Derek. This is what it looks like. It's pretty cool. It has sand in it, so we will be using this.
My arms got such a workout from that.
You honestly have a pump right now.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Look at that delt.
Oh my gosh, it's from the plant-based protein.
Hashtag Bloomsups. So now I'm gonna have my lunch, which I keep in this cute little mini fridge, along with all of the team's energy drinks. It's just like everywhere. Mine's down here. Okay guys, this is lunch today. I have a whole can of tuna in here for some protein, avocado, peppers, lettuce, and then I use that Erewhon dressing I think I showed you guys in the last video. So yeah, I'm gonna eat this and then oh, I'm a little behind on this gallon. I gotta get going on that. Okay guys, I am outside our office right now with Leo and Greg because we just received a very exciting sample. This project is gonna take a while, so don't get too excited, but this is a very highly requested product that we have been working on to perfect. I think you guys may be able to guess, but these are coming, can I say they're coming this year?
100%. Yeah.
These are coming this year. We are really taking our time to make sure they are absolutely perfect.
This is our 8th iteration.
Can you guess? Comment below before I show you. Bloom protein bars. Oh my god. Guys, they are so delicious. We've been sampling them for the past, what, month?
Yeah. I'm a protein bar addict.
Yeah, Leo is like the king of
All right,
protein
give me that
bars.
thing.
What flavor are we trying right now?
This is cookie dough, actually.
Cookie dough?
That's the one I was
That's
excited
Greg's
about.
fave. What do you think?
She's a doozy when she does it.
That was the best reaction. I have a bunch of flavors to sample right now. We have raspberry cheesecake, cookie dough. We already have like how many flavors decided on?
Only 2.
We have 2 flavors that we're definitely doing, and now we're figuring out what our remaining flavors are. Comment below if you have any suggestions, but this is a huge, huge deal for us. Who is you? Who are you? Hi, my beauty. Hi, sweetie. What's back there? Your toy? That is so nice. Wow, look at you. Look at my baby. Our personal assistant dropped off hangers because we're organizing Greg's closet tonight. That is gonna be a big project. Wow, looks fabulous in here. Did you do some cleaning? Thank you, honey. We just need to sage. Wow, I'm like obsessed with our house right now. So pretty. You wanna go out? Come on. These doors have just changed my life. She loves them. Guys, I'm so excited for Greg's parents to come see everything. I really want them to move to LA. Maybe we can convince them. Right, Lulu? Yeah. Okay guys, I'm sitting down right now to see what else I have to do today. It's like 1:20 right now. My assistant is coming over at 5 to help me organize Greg's closet and my closet. Right now I have to finish editing a reel. I'm editing a recipe reel, egg roll in a bowl. It's a keto recipe, it takes 10 minutes. Greg and I eat it all the time for dinner, so I'm gonna put that on my Instagram, go check it out. I have to self-tan for tomorrow because I want to be looking like a glowing goddess when I see Greg's parents. We're gonna just clean up a little more, make sure everything's ready, figure out what meetings I have tomorrow. So yeah, that's that. I think I might make a smoothie soon, which I'll show you guys. I think I make the same smoothie a lot, so you guys probably recognize the recipe, but that's okay. And that is that. Oh, I have our cute protein bars sitting right here and I just can't get over the fact that we're gonna have a protein bar. Like, who am I? If you told me 5 years ago I'd have a protein bar, like my own brand of protein bars, I would have been like, what? What? If you even told me I continued on my fitness journey 5 years ago, I would have been surprised, honestly. And now I'm in the fitness industry and I own 2 fitness brands. It's like, I have these moments where I'm like, who am I and what am I doing? Anyway, Okay, bye. Okay guys, it is time to make a smoothie. I make these every single day. It's a great way of getting some extra protein in. I definitely struggle with hitting my protein goals, so I'm gonna show you all the ingredients. So, almond milk, this is my fave. Faye, 2% Greek yogurt. This has extra protein in it also. Fruits of choice. I'm going with all of the berries today. Berries are my favorite choice for smoothies because they're low in sugar. I mean, I love banana smoothies, but they have a decent amount of sugar in them, which isn't good for my mood. So I try to go with berries. I have these frozen wild berries. These are super, super good for you. Inflammation. I have raspberries and strawberries, so that's great. And then in terms of the supplements, I have Bloom unflavored collagen, perfect for adding to anything for beauty benefits and gut health. And then of course my whey isolate protein, just to make sure those muscles are still growing. That was weird. That was weird of me to do. Okay. Mix this up. That looks like a good amount. I don't like it too thick. Like, I don't want to eat it with a spoon. Okay, now I'm gonna add our Greek yogurt, which does add a little more thickness. Whoa! And creaminess. Now, let's add our fruits. I'm gonna do about, I love raspberries. One of my favorite fruits for sure. Let's add some blueberries. I'm gonna add a decent amount of blueberries. Wow, the color of these is so rich. Oh my God, can you see that? Amazing. Now, these strawberries are so large that I need to cut them up. Yum delish. Now let's add our protein and our collagen. This is like a perfect like snack between lunch and dinner, I feel. You could add some peanut butter also. Okay guys, let's take this over to the blender box. I don't know what to call it. I'm actually really excited to see what color this comes out because it could really be anything. Line this up. Boop. And woo! Okay, the color is shockingly amazing. Like, wow. And I had to get a wine glass for it because it was just too good to put in anything else. Wow. Okay, I have a lot of excess, so I'm just gonna put that in here. Okay guys, I'm gonna go enjoy this smoothie outside with Lulu. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.